Hey everybody, how's it going today? I want to review the brand new Kobalt Wire Stripper 7-in-1 Wire Stripper. Item number is 2564366. This is new. It just hit the shelves probably within the last week or so from the date of this video. Today is January 31st, 2021. So here strips 10 and 20 solid and 12 to 20 stranded. Shears and rethreads screws, precision milled stripping holes, double dipped handles for comfort, lifetime guarantee. In summary, it says you shouldn't have a problem with your tool, but if you do, return it to the place where you got it and they'll exchange it hassle free. I did chip a Craftsman screwdriver at the tip, and I took it there. They had one identical and exchanged it hassle free. So we're gonna go ahead and open this sucker. Now, I'm a Kobalt fan, and they recently added a whole inventory of electrician tools. I picked up a multimeter and a clamp meter, which I'm going to be unpackaging and reviewing shortly. Okay, so let's get a nice good view of it. They are pretty. And for comparison, I have my Milwaukee's, and these cut 10 to 18, whereas these 10 to 20. So this one has one more space in there. Maybe one right on top of the other. They look pretty identical in size. This is angled. This is straight. You know, your locking pin right there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get this cracking. I do have Romex AWG10 Southwire stranded AWG10. I got some number 12, some Romex 14, some number 16, and number 18 gauge wires to cut. I do not have any 20 gauge, so I do apologize for that. Alright, so we're going to go with the Romex first. It says number 10 solid, so this should cut fairly easily. Wow. Butter. We'll go again with the number 10. Hopefully you all saw that. That one was a little bit tougher. Now the cut itself was a little bit tougher to do. And you see the paint already chipping off on it, which kind of sucks. So who knows how long these are really going to last. We have our stranded number 10. Not bad. Snipped it off real easy. Let me try it again. A little short. Alright, popped it off real good. Alright. So that was our number 10. We'll move on to number 12 gauge. And comparing the handle width, the thickness of the handle is actually a lot thicker than my Milwaukee set. Now I made a boo-boo there. Put it in the number 10 side. So let's go to number 12. Now that was pretty butter. I snipped it pretty easy. And we have our Romex 14. Let's see how we do. It was pretty tough. Okay, yeah, that one cut off easy. Go ahead and snip. Do another cut. Romex 14. And there we have it. We're going to move on to our 16 gauge wire. I don't know if you can see that. All it says is 16 gauge on it. Cut that pretty easy. Alright, so it cuts through 16 real easy. Here we have our 18 gauge wire. It says it on there somewhere. Butter. There we go. So there we have it, our Kobalt Wire Strippers. One thing I don't like about them is the paint. That sucks. That makes me wonder if I'm going to lose any of this stuff, you know, any of my writing later on in the future. So it's alright though. This is Mach 1 of their wire strippers as far as I'm concerned. So once they start getting their feedback, they'll probably start making something better. Alright y'all, thanks a lot. Have a nice day.